Bangladesh Heritage Masjids. Bangladesh came within the ambit of Islam in the early 13th century, and from the time onward people in this region built numerous masjids. Most of masjids built in Ilyas Shahi dynasty, Hussain Shahi dynasty, Suri dynasty, Mughal dynasty and in colonial era period. In general, the ground plan of masjids built in Greater Bengal falls into two broad categories: the courtyard type and the enclosed type. With a single exception, all the masjids had only one enclosed prayer hall, without an internal courtyard. The courtyard type masjids. The courtyard was popular from the very beginning of the Arabian masjid architecture. The large courtyard is surrounded on three sides with rivak, and with the kibya wall on the fourth side. The enclosed type masjids. Monsoon play a more determining role in Bengal, in molding the actual architectonic forms. The nature of the soil and incessant rainfall had a tangible influence on the development of the enclosed type masjids in Bangladesh. In terms of organization of the inner space, most prayer halls are divided into two major groups: the rectangular types and the square types. Ilyas Shahi Dynasty period masjids. Jor Bangla Masjid, located at Barobazar, Jhanedah, Bangladesh. Recently, one terracotta Arabic inscription written that masjid was built in 800 Hijri, 1397 AD, during Bangla Sultan Ghiyasuddin Azam Shah of Ilyas Shahi Dynasty period. Architecture was Khan Jahan Ali style. Three entrances on the eastern side, each entrance opening is bordered within a recessed rectangular frame, with parallel terracotta details. Four octagonal corner turrets, one in each corner of the prayer hall. All the turrets are divided into four parts by the moldings. Qibla wall contains three mihrab of brick enclosed within rectangular frame. Central one is bigger, and is bordered with geometric motifs and blind mullions. Ghorar Masjid, located at Barobazar, Jhanedah, Bangladesh. Built in early 15th century, during Ghiyasuddin Azam Shah of Ilyas Shahi Dynasty period. Architecture was Khan Jahan Ali style. Masjid belongs to the single domed square structure, with a forum in front. Forum has three pointed arch entrances, in front, and one on each side. The whole outside surface is embellished with horizontal band of ornamentation, or friezes. There are three mihrab in the kibya wall, decorated with abstract geometrical terracotta ornamentation. The central mihrab is higher and wider than the side ones, and from outside has a projection. Kolkata Masjid, located at Barobazar, Jhanedah, Bangladesh. Built in early 15th century, during Bangla Sultan Ghiyasuddin Azam Shah of Ilyas Shahi Dynasty period. Architecture was Khan Jahan Ali style. Masjid was typical oblong enclosed structure. The three entrance archways in the east, and the northern and southern walls, have two arched openings each. Masjid interior is the freestanding stone pillars. Traditionally, the base and the capital of the stone pillar are square in shape, and similar in design. Qibla wall contains three highly ornamented mihrab, all are bordered within two rectangular frames with two parallel terracotta, recessed brick moldings, and mirlone-shaped ornamentation on the top. Chunakhola Masjid, located at Bagarhat, Bangladesh. Built in early 15th century, during Bangla Sultan Ghiyasuddin Azam Shah of Ilyas Shahi Dynasty period. Architecture was Khan Jahan Ali style. It is a square-shaped single-domed masjid. It has three entrances on the eastern side, and two on each side. Entrance is bordered within two rectangular frames, with parallel terracotta details. There is a scenes of mullions, and the central point is crowned by a kalasa motif. The four corner turrets are also round, and divided into four parts by the moldings. Qibla wall has three mihrab. Central mihrab is bordered with geometric motifs and blind mullions separated by lateral bands of brick moldings. Nav Gumbaj Masjid, located at Bagarhat, Bangladesh. Built in the middle 15th century, by governor and architect Khan Jahan Ali, during the reign of Bangla Sultan Nasiruddin Mahmud Shah of Ilyas Shahi dynasty. Masjid was a multi-domed square-shaped, is uncommon and rare, in the Islamic world. Three arched entrances, bordered within tall rectangular bands of terracotta ornamentation. Square wide prayer hall, surrounded by thick wall, is divided by three equal aisles and bays. A chain and bell terracotta motif decorates the apsidal center of each mihrab. Rombi Jaipur Masjid. Located at Rombi Jaipur, Bangladesh. Built in mid-15th century, during the reign of Bangla Sultan Nasiruddin Mahmud Shah of Ilyas Shahi dynasty. Four corners of the masjid are buttressed by four circular corner turrets and divided into four tiers by horizontal moldings. Masjid was a single dome, and prayer hall has three openings on front, and each of the two side walls has three pointed arch openings. Each opening has a little recess in the wall with ornamental moldings above. Qibla wall is niched with three mihrab, which are ornate with terracotta floral panels. Bibi Begni Masjid. Located at Bagarhat, Khulna, Bangladesh. Built in early 15th century, during the reign of Bangla Sultan Ghiyasuddin Azam Shah of Ilyas Shahi dynasty. Architecture was Khan Jahan Ali style. Masjid is a single domed square structure, with a single dome. Eastern facade has three arched openings to the prayer hall. Central entrance has a framed arched opening with terracotta design of jali motif, and it is larger than the side ones, which are slightly narrower and dwarfish. Structure is buttressed by four corner turrets. These turrets end at the level of parapet walls. There are three terracotta multi-cusped arched mihrab in the Qibla wall. Central mihrab is flanked by small pillars, with terracotta at the base and at the capital. Singagair Masjid. Located at Bagarhat, Khulna, Bangladesh. Built in early 15th century, during the reign of Bangla Sultan Ghiyasuddin Azam Shah of Ilyas Shahi dynasty. Architecture was Khan Jahan Ali style. Masjid is a single domed square-type structure, three arched openings to the prayer hall, while the northern and southern facades have a central opening. Central entrance is almost twice as broad as the side ones, which are narrower and dwarfish. Masjid side are buttressed by four massive corner circular turrets. These turrets end at the level of parapet walls. Qibla wall has a mihrab decorated with terracotta, and there are two small niches, with engrailed arched facing, at a certain height flanking the main mihrab. Sat Gumbaj Masjid. Located at Bagarhat, Bangladesh. It is the largest masjid in Bangladesh, one of the most impressive Muslim monuments in the whole of the Indian subcontinent, and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Construction was started in 1442 AD, and completed in 1459 AD, by a Sufi architect and governor, Khan Jahan Ali, during the reign of Sultan Nasiruddin Mahmud Shah of Ilyas Shahi dynasty. The length of the masjid is 160 feet long, and 108 feet wide, walls of unusually thick, tapered brick in the Tughalq style. The vast prayer hall, although provided with 11 arched doorways on east, and 7 each on north and south for ventilation and light, presents a dark and somber appearance inside. There are 4 towers. 2 of 4 towers were used to call azan. Towers resembling the bastions of fortress, each capped by small rounded cupolas, recall the Tughalq architecture of Delhi. There are 77 low domes, arranged in 7 rows of 11, and 1 dome on each corner, bringing the total to 81 domes. Interior is divided into 7 longitudinal aisles, and 11 deep bays by a forest of 60 slender stone columns, from which springs rows of endless arches, supporting the domes. Qibla wall has 10 mihrab, in the center of every aisle instead of 11. Central mihrab is faced with black basalt stones, whilst the flanking 9 mihrab are embellished with brick terracotta ornamentation. Photo of Sat Gumbaj Masjid was print on 20 taka note. Now this note are very collective. France country stamp of Sat Gumbaj Masjid. Bangladesh country stamp of Sat Gumbaj Masjid. Sat Gumbaj Masjid is the jewel of Muslim art in Bangladesh, and one of the universally admired masterpieces of the world's heritage. It is the best example of Bangla architecture and a symbol of Bangladesh's rich history. Darsabri Masjid, located at Gaur, Chapainawabganj, Bangladesh. Built in 884 Hijri, 1479 AD, by Bangla Sultan Shamsuddin Yusuf Shah of Ilyas Shahi dynasty. It is a Jummah Masjid, belongs to rectangular-shaped plan structure, with a forum, and is the earliest example of this type. There are 7 pointed arch openings from the forum, central one is larger than the others, the left wing has 3 openings, the right wing has 2 openings, and a niche at the lower level and 2 openings at the upper level. The northern opening of the upper level, in the northern wall as the entrance for a raised gallery, were reserved for the ruler or royal members. Each of the side wings was covered by 9 domes. Prayer hall is divided into 3 parts, by wide central nave or transept, the 2 side wings are divided into 3 bays and 3 aisles. Qibla wall contains 3 mihrab in the left wing, and 5 mihrab in the right wing, 2 of these belong to the gallery, at the upper level. Mihrab and their face panels in the Qibla wall still retain magnificent specimen of terracotta ornamentation. The typical surviving mimbar in Bengal are made of stone. The unfinished brick masonry in the Qibla wall demonstrate that this mimbar was very high compared to other remaining mimbars. The interior and exterior surfaces are embellished with terracotta ornamentation. Terracotta panel with chain and bell motif is embedded in the upper part of each offset. Rajbibi Masjid, located at Gaur, Chapainawabganj, Bangladesh. Built in 1480 AD, during the reign of Bangla Sultan Shamsuddin Yusuf Shah of Ilyas Shahi dynasty. Masjid belongs to the group of square-shaped plan structure, with a forum. There are 3 arched openings in the east, and 1 at each side of the forum. The main hall is accessed by 3 openings, from the forum, and has 1 opening at each of the north and south side. The exterior facades are richly decorated and marked by 2 rows of rectangular panels. Each of these panels is embellished with a cusped arch on pillars, framing a typical chain, bell motif within, impressed with ornaments, floral motifs, jali pattern and rosettes. There are 6 octagonal turrets at the corners, 4 at the corner of the main hall and 2 in the forum. These turrets have brick moldings at the base, impressed with terracotta lozenge, and the interspaces are embellished with terracotta frieze. Prayer hall is roofed over by a semicircular dome. The shoulder of the dome is decorated with merlon and projected moldings from within. Prayer hall is square, with wide forum, but the central bay is rectangular and wider than the flanking units. Baba Adam Masjid, located at Rampai, Munshiganj, Bangladesh. An inscription fixed above the central entrance written that masjid was built in 888 Hijri, 1483 AD by Malik Kafur, during the reign of Bangla Sultan Jalal al-Din Fatah Shah of Ilyas Shahi dynasty. Masjid named after a locally famous Sufi Baba Adam, who died in a holy war against a local Hindu Raja. The 3 entrance doors in the east are flanked with 2 pointed arches bordered within recessed rectangular frames, with parallel terracotta details on the top within raised brick moldings. The 4 outside corners of the masjid are buttressed by octagonal turrets. The turrets have a circular foundation at the plinth level. Interior space is split into 6 square areas, by 2 bays and 3 aisles. Qibla wall contains 3 arched mihrab. There are multifoiled arches in front of the central mihrab. The arches rise from decorated octagonal pilaster, with 2 parallel terracotta details on the top within recessed brick moldings. Bangladesh stamp of Baba Adam Masjid. Three masjid of late 15th century, of Ilyas Shahi dynasty, are very ruined condition are Reza Khoda Masjid, Pir Pukur Masjid, Satkachia Masjid. Reza Khoda Masjid, located at Bagarhat, Khulna, Bangladesh. Built in late 15th century, during the reign of Bangla Sultan Jalaluddin Fateh Shah of Ilyas Shahi dynasty. UNESCO declared this masjid World Heritage Site in 1985, remains uncared. Masjid was in ruined condition. The structure was a single chamber, internally divided into 6 equal grids roofed over by 6 hemispherical domes. Eastern facade had 3 framed arched openings, northern and southern facades had 2 framed arched openings to the prayer hall. The square structure was buttressed by 4 corner octagonal turrets. Qibla wall had 3 terracotta multi-cusped arched mihrab on the interior with the central one projected on the exterior. Pir Pukur Masjid, located at Barobazar, Jessore, Bangladesh. Built in late 15th century, during the reign of Bangla Sultan Jalaluddin Fateh Shah of Ilyas Shahi dynasty. Masjid is now in very ruined condition. Masjid has an oblong plan of structure, divided into 5 equal interior bays, and 3 rows. Each grid was roofed over by 835 small hemispherical dome. The rectangular structure was buttressed by 4 corner circular towers. Qibla wall had 5 terracotta multi-cusped arched mihrab on the interior with the central one projected on the exterior. There are 5 arched entrances on east, opening to a 15-grid prayer chamber. There were 5 mihrab, each aligned with the 5 entrances at east. Stylistically, this kind is known as Khan Jahan Ali architecture. Satkachia Masjid, located at Barobazar, Jessore, Bangladesh. Built in late 15th century, during the reign of Bangla Sultan Jalaluddin Fateh Shah of Ilyas Shahi dynasty. Masjid is now in very ruined condition. Masjid had an oblong plan of structure, divided into 7 equal interior bays and 5 rows. Each grid was roofed over by a hemispherical dome. Eastern facade had 7 arched entrances opening to a 35-grid prayer chamber. There were 7 mihrab, each aligned with the 7 entrances. Stylistically, this kind is known as Khan Jahan Ali architecture. The rectangular structure was buttressed by 4 corner circular towers. Qibla wall had 7 terracotta, multi-cusped arched mihrab on the interior with the central one projected on the exterior. Khan Jahan Ali Masjid, located at Bagarhat, Khulna, Bangladesh. Built in late 15th century, during the reign of Bangla Sultan Jalaluddin Fateh Shah of Ilyas Shahi dynasty. Masjid is part of a larger complex, along with the famous Sufi Khan Jahan Ali tomb and lake. Masjid is a single-domed, square-type structure, 3 arched openings to the east, while the north and south have a single arched opening to the prayer hall. Corner is buttressed by 4 corner circular turrets. These turrets end at the level of parapet walls. Internally it has a square plan, central mihrab aligned with the central entrance at east. The mihrab has terracotta ornamentation. Runichak Masjid, located at Gaur, Chapenawabganj, Bangladesh. Built in late 15th century, during the reign of Bangla Sultan Jalaluddin Fateh Shah of Ilyas Shahi dynasty. Masjid is almost ruined condition, except part of the Qibla wall and the northern wall. It was completely dilapidated, and only few walls were available. But the government totally renovated this masjid recently. Masjid is an oblong-shaped structure, surrounded by wide brick wall. The eastern and the southern walls along with the 4 octagonal corner turrets. Prayer hall is divided into 3 aisles and 2 longitudinal bays by a row of 2 freestanding black basalt pillars, still in situ. Qibla wall contains 3 mihrab. Central mihrab is higher and wider than the rest, and faced with a pointed cusped arch with ornate finial. Masjidpur Masjid, located in Koyara, Khulna, Bangladesh. After the partition of India in 1947, Masjid was discovered. Before, the area was full of forests. No inscription found during the discovery, but structure style likely Khan Jahan Ali show that it was built in late 15th century. There are 3 gates in east and 9 dome in 3 rows on roof. Each wall is about 7 feet wide. Masjid was a square plan structure. Prayer hall was 54 feet long and 39 feet wide. Also 4 stone pillars support the roof. Masjid was decorated with terracotta, motif rosettes, jali work, lozenges, and floral scrolls are prominent. Hussain Shahi Dynasty period masjids. Surah Masjid, located at Chorgacha, Dinajpur, Bangladesh. Built in 910 Hijri, 1504 AD, by Bangla Sultan Alauddin Hussain Shah of Hussain Shahi dynasty. Masjid stands on a raised mound of earth. Courtyard was originally encompassed by a high boundary wall, which is now at the level of the plinth. Approached from the east by a flight of steps, there is a long tread through an arched gateway, built of brick. Masjid belongs to the group of a square-shaped structure, with a forum. Both forums and the prayer hall have 3 entrances, each on the eastern, northern and southern side. There are 6 octagonal corner turrets, 4 in the main room, and 2 in the forum. All the turrets are faced with stone slabs, and have moldings at the base, at the middle and on the top. Outside surfaces have some evidence of richly decorated terracotta panels. Interior surfaces are faced with black basalt stone, and have rich carving work, of terracotta imitation. Qibla wall contains 3 mihrab of stone enclosed within rectangular frames, faced with an engrailed pointed arch, are supported on ornate octagonal pillars. Zinda Pir Masjid, located at Bagarhat, Khulna, Bangladesh. Built in early 16th century, during the reign of Bangla Sultan Alauddin Hussain Shah of Hussain Shahi dynasty. Is a single-domed square-plan structure, crowned with a single dome, considered to be contemporary with Khan Jahan Ali style. Sufi Zinda Pir real name is said to be Ahmad Ali. Masjid is a part of a complex, consisting a single-domed tomb of the Sufi himself, and a number of brick-built graves ascribed to the family members of the Sufi Zinda Pir. Corners are buttressed by 4 octagonal turrets. These turrets end at the level of parapet walls. Exterior facades are of plain brick texture, with framed arched opening, with terracotta design of jali motif. There are 3 terracotta multi-cusped, arched mihrab in the Qibla wall. The central one is larger, and the flanking ones narrower, and dwarfish similar to the front facade. Kasbah Masjid, located at Kasbah village, Barisal, Bangladesh. Built in early 16th century, during the reign of Bangla Sultan Alauddin Hussain Shah of Hussain Shahi dynasty. It is a 9-domed square-plan structure masjid, built of red bricks. There are 3 archways, on the north, south and east sides, a Khan Jahan Ali style. Interior is divided into 9 equal square bays, by 4 stone pillars, which support the domes on the roof. Masjid is decorate terracotta ornamentation, both in and outside. Varieties of decorative designs, such as floral scrolls, rosettes, and cusped arch motifs, are visible in the doorway arches, and mihrab inside. Chota Sona Masjid is regarded as the gem of Gaur. Located at Gaur, Nawabganj, Bangladesh. Built in early 16th century, by Wali Muhammad, during the reign of Bangla Sultan Alauddin Hussain Shah of Hussain Shahi dynasty. Masjid was enclosed with a boundary wall, which is no longer existing. The front courtyard can be reached through the main entrance gate located at the central axis. Entrance from the east by 5 pointed multifoil arched openings, and both northern and southern walls has 3 openings. Each of the 4 outside corners has a 10-sided turret. There are also 2 octagonal corner turrets at the back of the projected wall of the central mihrab. The exterior facades are richly decorated. All the motifs are carved in stone. The upper part or cornice of all the 4 sides is gently curved. There are 4 moldings in this cornice impressed with ornamentations, with continuous floral motifs. Prayer hall with simple rectangular floor plan structure, divided into 3 bays and 5 aisles. Each part consists of 6 quadrilateral areas covered by 6 semicircular domes. Northwest corner of the prayer hall is a raised stone gallery, reserved only for the rulers. A flight of steps leads to the entrance platform for this gallery, which is attached to the northwest side of the masjid. Qibla wall has 5 mihrab, decorated with motifs, are carved in stone. Chota Sona Masjid photo on 20 Taka note of Bangladesh. Pakistan stamp of Chota Sona Masjid gate block in 1961. Old painting of Chota Sona Masjid of 1817 AD by artist Henry Creighton from British Library. Old photo of Chota Sona Masjid from British Library in 1870 AD. Goldi Masjid, located at Sonargaon, Narayanganj, Bangladesh. Built in 1519 AD by Mullah Hidajpur Akbar Khan during the reign of Bangla Sultan Nasiruddin Nusrat Shah of Hussain Shahi dynasty. Masjid has a square-shaped plan structure, 3 entrances in the eastern wall, central one is higher and wider than the flanking ones. South and north wall contains 1 arched opening in the center, flanked on either side. The solid surface in between, the doors and the corner turrets of the exterior wall are decorated with terracotta, chain, and bell motif. There are 4 round turrets at each outside corner and divided into 3 parts by the moldings. Qibla wall has 3 mihrab. Central mihrab, faced by black basalt stone, is larger than the other 2 brick-faced mihrab. Bagha Masjid, located at Bagha, Rajshahi, Bangladesh. Built in 1523 AD, during the reign of Bangla Sultan Nasiruddin Nusrat Shah of Hussain Shahi dynasty. Masjid standing on a high mound of earth and stands within a compound surrounded by a low wall. It is accessed through 2 arched gateways, from the north and south. The boundary wall with 2 entrances, and the ruler gallery shows that it belongs to the group of a Jummah Masjid. Entrance from the east by 5 identical pointed arch openings, and the side walls contain 2 openings, sealed at present. All the openings in the mihrab are set within ornate rectangular frames that are surmounted by ornamental mullions, terracotta panels. Each panel is encircled by a frame of tendrils, and a chain and bell motif inside. The 4 corner turrets, octagonal in shape, 1 at each corner, are divided into 5 tiers by horizontal moldings, and are covered by a plain solid cupola. Prayer hall is divided into 5 aisles and 2 longitudinal bays, by a row of 4 freestanding, black basalt pillars. Qibla wall contains 4 richly ornate terracotta mihrab. The 3 southern aisles have 1 mihrab each. There is a 5th small mihrab placed at the upper level. This small mihrab proves that there was a raised royal gallery, covering the northwest part of the prayer hall. Muhammad Shah Dynasty period Masjid. Kusumba Masjid, termed as the Black Gem of Bengal. Located at Nagaon, Bangladesh. Built in 1558 AD, by Bangla Sultan, Ghiyasuddin Bahadur Shah I, of Muhammad Shah dynasty. Only 6 stone masjid exist in Greater Bengal, that was built during the early Islamic period. Kusumba Masjid is one of them. Stones of this masjid are dark black basalt, which was shipped from Rajmahal Hill of Bihar. Masjid is the typical oblong enclosed plan structure. Masjid has access only from the eastern side, by 3 pointed archways, and the north and south sides have 2 arched openings. These side openings are closed by perforated stone screens up to the lintel level. 4 octagonal corner turrets, 1 at each corner of the building. These turrets invariably form a part of the buildings, and are built either to reinforce the corners, or merely as ornamental appendages. A long single monolithic stone decorated with rosettes is used as lintels, area between the lintel and the arches sealed with stones. Masjid walls are built of brick core, with stone facing up to the bottom of the arches. The arches and the roof are brick built. 2 freestanding stone pillars, and 8 partly concealed pilasters, support the roof of the 6 domes. Qibla wall contains three highly ornate mihrab, among them the northern one is placed at the level of the raised royal gallery. At the northwest corner, there is a well-designed raised royal gallery, on 4 stone pillars. Gallery is accessed by a single flight of stairs, from the ground level of the prayer room. Pakistan stamp of Kusumba Masjid front facade. Bangladesh stamp of Kusumba Masjid. Kusumba Masjid photo on 5 Taka note of Bangladesh. Delhi Sultanate Mughal period masjids. Mughal Sultan Akbar period masjid. Chakmohar Masjid, located at Chakmohar, Pabna, Bangladesh. A black stone inscription carved on entrance wall, say built in 1581 AD during the reign of Mughal Sultan Akbar. Masjid is enclosed by a low outer wall, built in red Jafri bricks. Arabic writings engraved on the wall are being damaged by the elements. The decorations consist of vegetal and floral motifs that still survive. It is noteworthy for the exquisite, terracotta ornamentations both inside and outside. Kherua Masjid, located in the village Kherua, Sherpur, Bangladesh. A stone Persian inscription placed on the facade of the masjid records that it was built in 989 Hijri, 1582 AD, by Mirza Murad Khan, son of Jawahar Ali Khan, during the Mughal Sultan Akbar era. Masjid is an enclosed typed oblong-shaped, dividing a rectangular prayer hall into 3 equal square bays. This 3-bay masjid constitutes a new feature in Bengal architecture during the Mughal period. Masjid is made of bricks. Instead of terracotta decoration, different types of recess panels were used in the surface decoration. Masjid is accessed from the east by 3 pointed arch openings, which leads directly to a niche in the Qibla. As a result, the Qibla wall has 3 mihrab. Mughal Sultan Jahangir period masjid. Atia Masjid, located at Atia, Sadar Upazila, Tangail, Bangladesh. There are 3 inscriptional tablets in this masjid. 2 are placed over the central doorway entrance, and the third one is placed on the outside Qibla wall. Built in 1019 Hijri, 1611 AD by Said Khan Panni, son of Bayazid Khan Panni, in honor of the Sufi Pir Ali, Shehinshah Baba Kashmiri. In the reign of Mughal Sultan Jahangir. Masjid was a square-shaped plan structure, with a foreroom. 3 arched openings in the east facade, and 1 on each side of the foreroom. The eastern and northern facades are covered with exquisite terracotta ornamentation of geometrical and floral nature. Large central dome on the prayer hall is supported on sequences at each corner, and the 3 domes over the foreroom are carried on pendentives. The main hall is accessed by 3 openings from the foreroom and has 1 opening on each of the north and south side. There are 3 mihrab in the Qibla wall. Photo of this iconic masjid used to be printed on the 10 Taka note of Bangladesh. Nowadays these notes are very rare, and in the collection of few people. Shah Niamtullah Masjid, located at Gaur Chapi Nawabganj, Bangladesh. Built in early 17th century by Subedar Shah Shuja, a governor in the reign of Mughal Sultan Jahangir. Masjid is a part of the Tehkhana complex, which consists of a large residential enclave, the tomb of a Sufi Pir Shah Niamtullah wall, and some ruined service quarter. Masjid is oblong-shaped plan structure, built of brick. Entered from the eastern side by 3/4 centered archway, and the other 2 side walls have 1 pointed arch openings each. The central archway is larger than the flanking ones, and is projected slightly towards the front to emphasize the central axis. Prayer room is divided into 3 equal square bays, by 2 wide transverse arches, upon which the 3 closely dome rest. Mughal Sultan Aurangzeb period masjid. Arif Masjid, located at Sarail, Brahmanbaria, Bangladesh. Built in 1662 AD by Shah Arif in the reign of Mughal Sultan Aurangzeb. Masjid was renovated by Department of Archaeology, Bangladesh. Masjid is a rectangular structure, 5 entrance, 3 in the east and each one in the north and south side. Middle main door is bigger. 4 octagonal turret at the each corner, and passing through the horizontal parapets, those are topped with kalasa finials. Masjid is designed by friezes of blind mullions, spiral scroll on the frames, and deep arched alcove. Mehrab are similar in size except, depth of the middle one is bigger, ornamented with muqarnas works in stucco. Khwaja Shahbaz Masjid. Location at Dhaka, Bangladesh. Built in 1089 Hijri. 1679 AD by Prince Muhammad Azam, a son of Mughal Sultan Aurangzeb. Complex comprises a masjid, a tomb and an chautala structure. Entered from the eastern side by 3 archways, and the other 2 side walls have also 1 arch opening each. The flanking turrets have kalasa base, and ended on the top in a pinnacle extended beyond the parapet. Prayer room is divided into 3 equal square bays, by 2 wide transverse cobalt cusped arches, supported by twin brick pilasters, embedded in the east and west walls. Lalbagh Fort Masjid. Located at Dhaka, Bangladesh. Built in 1678 AD by Prince Muhammad Ajam, a governor of Bengal and son of Mughal Sultan Aurangzeb. Fort has long fortified wall, 3 gates, large tank, darbar hall, hammam, tomb of Pari Bibi, service block with a rooftop garden, and a mosque. Governor Shahista Khan continued the project, and after the death of his daughter, Bibi Pari, the construction of the fort was not continued, and the fort was left unfinished. Fort Masjid is an unpretentious typical oblong structure. Prayer hall is entered from the eastern side, by 3 archways, and the other 2 side walls have also 1 pointed arch openings each. Prayer hall is divided into 3 unequal bays, by wide arches springing from the eastern and western walls. The side bays are rectangular in shape, and smaller in width, but the central one is bigger and square. Shah Muhammad Masjid. Located at Pakundia, Kishoreganj, Bangladesh. Built in 1680 AD by Shahista Khan, Subedar in the reign of Mughal Sultan Aurangzeb. Masjid is a square in shape, like the other typical pre-Mughal single-domed masjid. It has also 3 pointed arched entrance openings on the eastern side, and a single opening on the northern and southern side as well. Square-shaped prayer hall has 4 axially outside projected frontons, each corresponding to the central opening and the central mihrab. The Qibla wall is niched with 3 mihrab. Saat Gumbaj Masjid. Located at Dhaka, Bangladesh. Built in 1680 AD. By Shahista Khan, Subedar in the reign of Mughal Sultan Aurangzeb. Masjid built on raising courtyard, which is encompassed by a low boundary wall, with the gateway in the middle of the eastern side. A flight of steps leads to the rooftop of the gateway, from the north and south side. Masjid entered from the east by 3 cusped arched openings. All the entrance archways are framed by recessed panels in the wall. Qibla wall has 3 arched mihrab. Qibla wall shows from outside the projection of the central mihrab niche. The 2 rectangular side bays have first been made square. By introducing half-domed vault, these square areas are transformed again, by pendentives on the corners into octagon, and then in a circle, upon which the smaller domes rest. Roof contains 7 domes, and hence giving the masjid its name Saat Gumbaj. Prayer hall is divided into 3 unequal bays. The side bays are rectangular in shape, and smaller in width, but the central one is bigger and square. Musa Khan Masjid. Located at Dhaka, Bangladesh. Built in late 17th century, by the grandson of Musa Khan, Diwan Munawar Khan, in the reign of Mughal Sultan Aurangzeb. Masjid has an oblong rectangular plan structure, on raised platform. The platform is accessed by a straight flight of stair, leading through a simple gateway. The space underneath the platform were arranged in 4 rows, where both eastern and western cells can be accessed from the exterior, while inner cells are accessed through the eastern cells. Masjid is a typical Bengali Mughal type, where the central dome is larger than the other two. Prayer hall is visually divided into 3 sections. Each section contains an entrance doorway. The western wall is internally recessed with 3 semi-octagonal mihrab, which are all arched. Khan Muhammad Maridha Masjid, located at Dhaka, Bangladesh. According to an inscription placed in the frontal facade of this masjid. Building 1116 Hijri. 1706 AD by Khan Muhammad Maridha, following the order of Qazi Ibadullah, a chief Qazi of Dhaka, in the reign of Mughal Sultan Aurangzeb. Complex is encompassed on high boundary wall. Masjid building is erected on a high podium above the ground level. The tehkhana of the podium has a continuous veranda around it, and all the internal small rooms are connected from this circulation area and are covered by flat brick roof. Wide single flight of steps leads to the roof of the platform through a gatehouse, from the ground to the main prayer hall. Masjid has the usual oblong plan. There are 3 arched entrance doorways. In the eastern side platform, there are 2 octagonal projected rooms for gathering or discussion after the daily prayers. North and south walls contained 1 opening each, which had been closed by perforated jali screen. Domes stand on high shoulders, and as usual like Mughal style, the central dome is bigger than the side ones. Interior is divided into 3 bays, by 2 lateral arches. Each bay is covered by an onion-shaped dome. Mihabari Masjid, located at Karapur, Baraisal, Bangladesh. Built in early 18th century, in the reign of Mughal Sultan Aurangzeb. The square-shaped arched substructure of tehkhana is presently used as a madrasa, and 2 old unknown graves are lying under the flight of steps. Wide single flight of steps leads to the roof of the platform from the ground to the prayer hall. Prayer hall is oblong plan structure, entered from the eastern side by 3 archway, and the other 2 side walls have also 1 pointed arch openings each. The central archway is larger than the flanking ones. Wall surfaces is profusely ornamented in plaster. The floral relief has white surface coating, and the recessed surface is painted in blue. Perforated floral screen is embellished on the straight and projected eaves, and set as parapet in the alignment of the entrance opening. The 4 corner turrets, 1 at each corner, and 2 additional turrets on the front and back facades are octagonal in shape, extended high above the roof level. Prayer hall is rectangular, divided into 3 unequal bays. The side bays are rectangular in shape, and smaller in width, but the central one is bigger and square. 3 domes have an octagonal shoulder, and are crowned with elongated finials. Middle one is big and higher, usually like Mughal style. Nawabs of Bengal period masjids. Under Mughal administration control. Bajra Masjid, located at Bajra, Begumganj, Bangladesh. Built in 1741 AD by the Zamindar Amanullah, during the reign of the Mughal Sultan Muhammad Shah. Masjid stands on a raised platform, which is enclosed by a low boundary wall, with a majestic gate in the east. The upper floor pavilion is reached by a single flight of stairs from the north, which was used for azan, and covered by a dome. Masjid is the typical Mughal oblong-shaped plan structure. Entered has 3 alcove archways, and the 2 side walls have 1 pointed arch opening each. 3 domes have an octagonal shoulder embellished with mullions and are crowned with elongated amla kalasa-typed finials on lotus base. Prayer hall is a rectangular, and divided into 3 unequal bays. The side bays are rectangular in shape, and smaller in width, but the central one is bigger and square. The frontal facade is decorated by recessed rectangular panel and ended in a straight parapet with rows of blind mullions. The outer surfaces were plastered with a mortar of lime and powdered bricks. The four corners are buttressed by four turrets extended high above the roof level and ended in a blind kiosk covered by small cupola having a finial. Tara Masjid, located at Bankshal Armani Tola, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Built in mid-18th century by Mirza Ghulam Pir in the reign of Mughal Sultan Muhammad Shah. Original surface was not as decorated as it is now, but probably decorated in panels by plaster work. Now the austere Mughal surface was totally refaced with delicate and richly colored, Chini tikri work. Masjid was extended in several phases. The original rectangular prayer chamber is entered by 3 entranceways, now the newly extended verandas is entered by 9 cusped arched openings. The 3-domed masjid, typical Mughal features, was converted into a 5-domed masjid during the last extension of the prayer hall by the Department of Architecture. Domes are decorated with basal leaf ornamentation and are crowned with beautiful tall lotus and kalasa finials. Flower vases, flower branches, rosettes and various floral patterns have been used on all interior surface decoration, either in the form of mosaic or assorted pieces of glazed tiles. Karotia Masjid, located at Karotia Sadar, Tangel, Bangladesh. Built in 1771 AD by the legendary Panni Zamindar family, Hafij Muhammad Ali Khan Panni. Masjid proper stands on a high podium and entered through an elaborated, brick-built gatehouse. Rectangular prayer hall is entered through 3 archways and the other 2 side walls have also 1 arch opening each. Masjid 5 bays are covered with 5 equal domes. All the domes rest directly on a very high octagonal shoulder embellished with basal leaf ornamentation and are crowned with beautiful tall lotus and kalasa finials. Nayabad Masjid, located at Nayabad village, Dinajpur, Bangladesh. An inscription on middle one entrance say that it was built in 1793 AD, during the rule of Mughal Sultan, Shah Alam II. Masjid is oblong-shaped plan structure, with 3 entrances on east facade. There is an arched window each on the south and north sides. At each corner an octagonal tower, with the cupola. 2 of the cupolas are now missing. Roof has 3 domes. 3 mihrab in line with the 3 entrances. The central mihrab is bigger than the flanking ones, which are of equal size. Colonial period Masjid. Mithapur Masjid, located at Mithapur, Bangladesh. Masjid has a courtyard with the entrance to the east. An inscription on middle entrance say that Masjid was built in 1811 AD by Sheikh Muhammad Asim, the son of Sheikh Sabir. Masjid is oblong-shaped plan, 3 entrance door which is made by Bangladeshi local culture. Interior was divided into 3 equal parts, 3 mihrab on west wall project straight towards 3 entrance on east wall. Chini Masjid, located at Saidpur city, Rangpur, Bangladesh. Built in 1863 AD by Haji Bakir Ali Ahmad, lately Wazir Ali Ahmad, whose belongs from founder's family, started the extension and modification work of this masjid. Masjid has 27 minara, of which 5 are incomplete. To decorate masjid, 283 pieces of cross marble stones were used, 25 tons small chips of chinaware plate and pieces of glass porcelain were also used. Devan Bari Masjid, located at Amin Bazar, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Built in 1880 AD by a leather wholesaler, Haji Janab Ali. Masjid proper is oblong in plan with a 4-room, stands on a high podium, reached by a flight of steps to the frontal, open veranda. There are 3 arched openings on the front facade, and 1 at each side, of the 4-room. Surfaces are profusely decorated by recessed rectangular panels containing niches, and ended in a straight parapet with rows of blind mullions, and are covered with chini tikri, a popular surface treatment material of colonial period. Prayer hall is divided into three bays, the central one is square, and the flanking ones are rectangular in shape. There are three mihrab niches in the Qibla wall, the central one is semicircular, and the flanking ones are shallow rectangular in shape. Momen Masjid. His wooden masjid is located in the Tush Khali, Pirojpur, Bangladesh. Built in 1910 AD by Momen-ud-Din and Kohn. Masjid stands on a high plinth, and at present the patent stone floor is finished by neat cement and covered with movable floor carpet. Arabic calligraphy handcrafted onto the outer and inner sides of the masjid. Arabic calligraphy is organized with the words Muhammad and Allah in a geometric balance which depicts kalema toib. The mixture of Kufi and Diwani styles are used to produce this artwork. Oblong-shaped prayer hall, with a thick wall made of wood, entered from east by a double-leaves door. The Qibla wall has a rectangular-shaped projected space used as mihrab.